Hello mga sisters, brothers, here again, si ate nandito naman. Sandali lang, ayusin ko lang yung camera ko ha. Sandali lang ha, para komportable tayo. Ito yung ano ko, yung aking vlog from, not that one. Yeah, it is, that's the one. Yung mga comment nyo mga sisters, nandito na. At saka, magsha-shoutout lang ako kasi it's Friday. It's a shoutout Friday. Tinignan ko lang kung meron akong lipstick ako sa ngipin ko. Alam niyo naman, no. Alam niyo naman, di maganda pag may lipstick tayo sa ating mga ngipin. So anyway, Nancy Life TV sister, thank you so much. Lord Dihan, thank you. Gems Vlog, thank you. Jessie Quets, thank you. Irene Vlogs on YouTube, thank you so much sis. Get well soon to you and to your hubby and to Brent. Hello Brent. Magdus World, Krisha M. Hana Aloha, I miss you girl. Jessie Meme, thank you so much. Lace Vlog, thank you again for watching. And ang haba pala ng biniyahe mo ate. I don't know how to pronounce her name because it's in Japanese. I think that's Japanese. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Thank you so much for your comment. Rona, thank you so much. Candy Soledad makes amazing job on your makeup that you like inspired by Kylie Jenner. I think that's what it is. That's her name. Correct me again if I'm wrong, but amazing job, sister. Good job. Pinay New Yorker, Jemmy. Amazing. Sexy. Hot mama. Good girl. Janiel Katipay, thank you so much. At ang gamit kong vlog camera is Nikon 16.0 megapixel full HD movie. Cool pics. That's what it is. I just, it's over here so I can just read it over there. So thank you bro for watching my vlog, and thank you for subbing, and I already subscribe on your channel. Thank you so much. And Jolie Bernas by Jolie by Beauty, and thank you so much again for watching my vlogs. Thank you, and for your comments. So again, we go on my other one. It's from 2916. Again, thank you so much, Jem, Jessie, Hannah, Irene, Nancy, Lace Vlog. Thank you so much, guys. This is my sisters that since I started doing my vlogs and I subscribe to them, they never get tired of leaving comments on my vlogs. Okay, guys? Like, all of you guys are amazing. I'm telling you, I don't have a favoritism, but you guys are just makes me so happy when I see your comments, and it's nice that, I mean, think about it. We don't know each other before, but from watching each other's vlog, we realize that we have something in common, and that's just amazing. It's amazing. I can't help it. Thank you guys. Really, it does. And then when this is from February 10th, and again, Irene Vlog, thank you so much. Krisha M, I miss you girl. Hello to Kiel and MJ, happy birthday. And Nancy Life TV, James Vlog, Hannah Aloha, Modigasi Travel, and my Angel Vlog. Hello sister, I miss you. I miss watching your vlogs. I hope you upload your beads soon. I miss you. And Jolie Bernas by Jolie by Beauty, thank you so much for watching. And then let's go to Home Sweet Home by that's February 11. And again, Jessie Quets, thank you so much. Philippine, oh hold on, she's gonna kill me when she sees this. Philin Ina V. Or Ina na lang ha. Nahirapan ako kapatid, huwag mo ko patayin na, sorry. Ina na lang, Ina. Hello Ina. My Cebuana beauty girl. Oh, bongga, diba? Jessie Meme, Nancy Life TV, Magdus World, Lordy Han, Lace Vlog, Irene Vlog, Candy Soledad, Delante Vlog Show. I want to congratulate him for, I think he said he have 200 subscribers already. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. Happy. Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. Kasi namatay yung camera ko, pero we're back again, okay? So, ito yung bago ako mag-shout out ulit. I just wanna thank itong recipe na to. Hindi ko to recipe. recipe to ni Sis Crystal Jenkins, and I would like to thank her for that. Kasi talagang nasarapan yung asawa ko, anak ko, at saka syempre yung shota ng anak ko, nasarapan din talaga siya. Talagang feel na feel niya talaga yung chicken. Kahit yung potato, kahit na hindi talaga nag-brown masyado yung potato, kasi yun ang gusto ng asawa ko, talagang yung potato talaga roast na roast, tapos sa loob malambot, ganon type niya. So, and even, you know, everything, talagang it went really well talaga, sa totoo lang. So maraming salamat sa pag-upload mo nung recipe na yun. Maraming salamat. Thank you. So again, this is from that chicken recipe. And Jassy Meme, thank you for watching and leaving a comment. Thank you. I watch your blog, of course. I always watch every one of you. I watch all your blogs, okay guys? Kaya napansin ko si Angel Vlogs, may Angel Vlogs are wala siyang ang last niyang vlog is when it's Christmas time, yun lang. Pero as far as that, I didn't see anything yet. Tapos si Nancy Live TV, hello sister, thank you so much again for watching. And of course, Irene vlogs on YouTube. Thank you so much for alam ko you're not feeling well, even your hobby's not feeling well, so thank you for watching and leaving a comment on my vlogs. Thank you so much. Thank you. So that's it for my shout out Friday, guys. Thank you again for my subscriber, and thank you for all your comments and your feedbacks and everything, and I love you guys. Take care and happy Friday to all of you, and God bless. Bye bye. See you.